So today is gonna be a video and gonna be so cool. So my video is the best. So I'm gonna draw black first. I'm gonna take the black, draw a cute bag, and I'm gonna draw the eyes first. It's good. And the eyes, I'm gonna draw the eyelashes. And I'm done. I'm going to draw the other eye. And I'm going to draw inside, and I'm going to draw the eyelashes. Now it's time for the face. I'm going to circle it. And it's done. I'm going to draw the tongue. And I am done. Now I'm going to draw the ears. I'm going to draw the curve inside, and on the other side, and big curve, and a small curve. And I'm gonna draw the curve. And I am looks cool, nice. Now I got it pink. It will be so cool. So I'm gonna take a little pink. Oh yeah, I got the pink. I'm gonna draw it. It looks so cute. I love it. I'm gonna add a little pink there, a little pink there. Little thing over there, a little thing on the toes, and that. So it's gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna outline. It's gonna be so cool. The backward, it's gonna be so cool. I have steps. Now, cool. Now I'm gonna add it that. So cute. It looks so cute. Now enough of this step. I'm going to use another step. So I definitely need yellow for this. I'm ready for this shape heart. I'm gonna draw. Keep a heart like that. That. Now I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna draw like that. Now I'm gonna draw inside. So I'm gonna draw like this. Now I need red again. Bye-bye. Now I'm going to close it. Put it here. See the color? I love it. It's a leaf. See? Alright, take it. Put it there. I'm going to take marble and use this tab. There. Put it there, put it there, put it there, put it there, put it there. I'm going to go a cute message, be happy on the door. Now I'm going to go the happy, HAPPY, and it's not. And I'm going to go the heart, color it inside, and it's so cute. I'm going to go inside so much, just like that. I'm going to go, yes, more good, a little more, and it's done. It's so cute. Bye.